Someone is happy and someone is distressed in this material world. But in factuality, nobody can be happy in this material world. Because according to Bhagavad Gita and Lord Krishna, this material world is full of suffering and also temporary. And in other words, Lord Krishna has also mentioned in Bhagavad Gita that this material world is prison house for every human being, every living entities. So we cannot get all the facility, comforts in the prison. So intelligent person should not promote themselves from third class prison to first class prison. After all, prison will not get or give us pleasure, comfortable or happy life. Our real home is Vaikunt, spiritual planet, or Golok Vrindavan Dham, Krishna Loka. But nobody can go Vaikunt Dham or Krishna Lok without becoming devotee of Lord Krishna or every time remembering Lord Krishna. For example, when scuba diver want to go bottom of the sea or ocean for study, research, he wears a special suit so that he can go bottom of the sea and do RD, research and development. In the same way, with this material body, we cannot go to spiritual planet or Krishna's planet, Krishna Lok, which is our real home. So we have to become first Bhakt, and becoming Bhakt is very simple. We have to just remember always Lord Krishna. When we chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, we remember Lord Krishna. We have to do simply three things to transfer ourselves, to purchase ticket to go back to Godhead, and that is always remembering Krishna, always offer obeisance to Lord Krishna and worship Lord Krishna. These three simple things will make us Bhakta, devotee of Lord Krishna, and we will happily transfer to our real home, which is Krishna Lok, Golok Vrindavan Dham, spiritual sky.